Today we're taking a look at a product called PromptNinja AI, and I'm just on the sales page right now, but I'll sum up what this product is going to allow you to do. So if you are using ChatGPT a lot and you're creating a lot of prompts, PromptNinja AI is going to give you a Chrome extension that you can install. Then all you need to do is put in your license key for PromptNinja AI, and then if you go on to ChatGPT like I'm on right now, okay, you'll see this little bubble right here, and that's the PromptNinja AI, and that's what's going to install. And this is going to help you use ChatGPT in a very effective way when it comes to creating various sorts of images for social media and prompting and things like that. So stop manually copying and pasting prompts. This is going to save you about 10 hours per week if you're doing some prompting and you're creating various different social media images with ChatGPT, like YouTube thumbnails, YouTube end screens, YouTube cover arts, and things like that. So it's not about writing prompts, it's about freedom to automate your brand voice. So what you also do within PromptNinja AI is you upload your brand, and then once you've uploaded your brand, you can keep reusing that. But I'll dive straight into the software after I go through the sales page a little bit. But before we dive into the actual sales page, I want to show you my 5 exclusive bonuses, which I will give you access to if you decide to pick up PromptNinja AI today. You can see the launch price is $17, and that's a one-time payment. I will also be going over the upsells and everything like that if you're interested in those. But let's go over my 5 exclusive bonuses. Okay, so the 5 exclusive bonuses I'm going to give you access to. The first one is the 100 plus AI visual prompt library. Copy paste prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, and Gemini, engineered to produce brand consistent scroll stopping visuals. Drop your brand variables in and fire. So I'll just show you a little bit about this. You just read this first, and then you scroll down, and then for an example, if you want to do YouTube and video thumbnails, you can use these prompts right here to be able to create stunning visuals for YouTube thumbnails. Then bonus number 2 is your brand identity blueprint. So when it comes to creating your brand identity within the PromptNinja AI software, this is going to be a fill in the blanks workbook that turns the fuzzy idea in your head into a crisp, repeatable brand profile. The exact inputs PromptNinja AI needs to make every visual sound like you. So the better job you do of filling out your brand profile, the better actual results you're going to get from the prompts that it gives you. Okay, and then bonus number 3 is the social graphics toolkit. Platform by platform specs, design formulas, and ready to wrap prompts for graphics that stop the thumb on every feed, all engineered to stay perfectly on brand. Okay, so I'll just reveal a little bit about this. It's going to give you the anatomy of a scroll stopper, and then you can read all about that. And then it's going to give you platform size and spec cheat sheet. So if you're creating an Instagram feed post, you need those specs. If you're creating an Instagram square, you need those specs, and so on and so forth. And then bonus number 4 is going to be the YouTube thumbnail playbook, the psychology, formulas, and AI prompts behind thumbnails that win the click, because the best video in the world gets 0 views if nobody taps on it. So this is a very nice bonus. I like this bonus that I created. Your thumbnail is the product. So it's going to show you the CTR flywheel and the 6 triggers that earn clicks. So everything you need to know about getting the actual click with your YouTube thumbnail. And then bonus number 5 is the AI content automation guide, a repeatable system for turning one idea into a week of brand consistent visual content without the copy paste, tab hopping, and blank page dread. Build the machine once, run it forever. So this sounds quite interesting, this one, from prompting to systems. And then I'll just scroll down and reveal. So you can use the craft engine framework, capture, reuse, automate, flow, and this is going to guide you on everything about that. So those are my 5 exclusive bonuses. All you need to do is pick up the front end of PromptNinja AI today, and then on your receipt page there'll be a blue button. You click the blue button, it says affiliate bonuses, and you can download your bonuses. So like I said, I'm on the sales page of PromptNinja AI. This is $17 one time, and this is going to save you a lot of time. Like it says here, saved hours 12 plus per week easily. Prompt speed 10 times faster creating these prompts, because when you open ChatGPT, for an example, you want to create a YouTube thumbnail or you want to create a end screen, you start from scratch and pretty much have no idea about how to create a nice looking end screen or YouTube thumbnail or any visual for social media. And this is going to allow you to stop starting from zero and actually get the actual prompts that you do need. So there is a walkthrough live video demo that you can watch on the sales page. You can visit the sales page by clicking the first link in the video description at any time. So there's 3 steps in this whole process. You create your brand profile, you activate PromptNinja AI, and there is a full in-depth walkthrough that's going to show you how you can activate PromptNinja AI. So you don't need to worry about that. It's going to guide you through everything, and then you automate your visual generation and everything like that. So these are just the feature breakdowns, okay? And now I showed you the floating ninja widget, the cloud synced brand profiles, unified brand identity. Okay, so now let's dive straight into the actual product itself. So here we go. This is what PromptNinja AI is going to look like. You have your home overview. Now, if you picked up the front end, you're going to have a check mark next to the front end. If you picked up the Pro Edition, you're going to have a check mark, and all the products you purchased, you're going to have a check mark next to that. But the first thing you need to do is make sure that you get this chat bubble right there so that you can start using PromptNinja AI. So the first thing you need to do is install direct from Chrome Web Store. So if I open up this, you can see it's going to take me directly to the Chrome Web Store, and this is actually verified on the Chrome Web Store. And you just click on add to Chrome. Mine says Opera because I'm using Opera, but you can also watch a video right here. You just click add to Chrome, and then once you've added it to Chrome, go back to ChatGPT and refresh ChatGPT, and you'll see that purple widget right there. And that means that you can start using PromptNinja AI. So for an example, if I click on this, once you click on the purple widget, it's going to ask you to enter in your license key that you get when you make your purchase. So you just fill in your license key. It's in the back office. You click here where it says license key. I won't reveal my license key, but you click that, and then you copy the license key and you fill it in, and then you will be able to start using this. So you can see all the stuff that you can create with PromptNinja AI. So the channel trailer, backgrounds, stream starting soon, LinkedIn carousel, and there's pretty much 2 pages right here. You can do, let me go for an example, video and stream. You can do a thumbnail, YouTube banner, YouTube end screen, Discord banner, stream overlay, Twitch panel, and everything, just by basically filling in your brand profile. Now, let's just go over the tabs right here. So you'll go to brand profile, and for me, I've got the Pro Edition, so I can actually do 2 profiles. So what I'll do is I'll just edit this one to make it a little bit about me. I'm going to say, this says Russell Brunson personal brand preset. So I'm just going to put in my name there. So I filled in my name here. I put my website. I'm going to leave this as it is just for an example. But where it says image, you can remove the image. Then I'll choose another image right now. So I'll go into my downloads, and then I'll just choose another image, upload that, and then save the profile. And now you can see I have my brand right there. That is my name. Okay, so once you have your brand profile, what you can now do, and also there is a walkthrough right here within the members area if you want to go through the walkthrough. Okay, so now we can start creating social graphics. So I can go to ChatGPT. Let me just refresh it one more time. And then what I'll do is I'll click on the widget, and then I'll select my brand profile. There we go. So I'll select my brand profile. Let's go to video and stream, and let's create a YouTube thumbnail. and you just need to briefly describe what sort of thumbnail that you want. So I'm going to say earn, let's just say 100 per day with Amazon KDP. And then what you need to do. So that's just a very brief description of what you want. That's all you need to do. You can leave it blank also, but I suggest writing something in there. Then you just click on next, and you can even create like YouTube shorts or TikTok videos or Instagram reels. So I'm just going to select 16:9 for YouTube, and then I'm going to say generate and submit. And right now you can see here's the actual prompt. And then once it adds my image in there from my brand profile, so once you set that up correctly, that's all you need to do. Now it's giving the markdown. You'll see this little progress bar, and then what you need to do is just wait for the image to generate. So you can see that was really quick. And now we just need to wait for ChatGPT to generate the image. You can see it kind of adds this overlay right here. You can pause it, you can stop it, but I recommend just leaving it running until the image is done. So I'll let that image, as you can see, we just put in a basic prompt, and now ChatGPT is going to make a thumbnail about making $100 per day with Amazon KDP. So I'll let that finish and I'll be right back. And as you can see right here, it made a really nice thumbnail. There's the image of me, earn 100 per day with Amazon KDP, the theme and everything. It's got the Amazon KDP logo and everything that you do need. It's got some books right there, and this is perfect for YouTube. All you need to do now, as you can see, it's the perfect dimensions for YouTube. You just basically download that and you can use that on your YouTube video. But there's many things you can create with the actual PromptNinja AI. You can see you have all these categories right here, even myth versus fact highlights. You just need to scroll through all of these and choose what you need. You can do LinkedIn carousel, TikTok photo swap, threads post, Instagram story, reels background, pretty much endless things you can create with this. And one thing I wanted to mention is that you can also use this on the free plan. As you can see, I'm using the free plan of ChatGPT. Now, if you're interested in any of the optional upgrades, I will cover that now. So let's get into that. So the first upgrade will be for 47, and that's going to give you unlimited brand profiles, multi-persona system notifications, one-click profile switcher, real-time cloud sync, and custom prompt template editor, and that's for 47. Then upgrade 2 for 47 is chaining edition. Execute multiple prompts in sequence, automatically feeding the output of one step into the variables of the next inside ChatGPT. And you can read all these things that you get with that upgrade. Then upgrade 3 is the prompt templates for 37, 1,000 pack of templates, 1,000 premium prompt templates, one-click import, variable ready, and these are all the categories included for that. Okay, you got things like merchant apparel, beauty and cosmetics, fitness and wellness, devices and screens, and so on. Then upgrade 4 is for 47, access advanced direct response models, script blueprints, and hook formulations right inside the PromptNinja dashboard. Okay, you can see copy, shortcut command, direct response blueprints, VSL script generator, and so much more. Then OTO 5 is for 97, and this is secure reseller rights to sell PromptNinja AI as their own product and keep every cent across the entire sales sequence. So everything you get with PromptNinja AI, you can resell that as your own product. So those are the upgrades right there of PromptNinja AI. And as you can see on the sales page, it goes live at 9 a.m. EST today. And by the time you're watching this, it's live. So you can see it's for $17 one time. And you can pick it up. Don't forget about my 5 exclusive bonuses when you do pick up PromptNinja AI from the link below. And that was my review. And I hope to see you in the next review.